Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ubuntu. Today we are going to install the Memcache onto your Ubuntu server. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have a sudo apt update command to run. So first command is this one. So go to the terminal and run this command. So let me clear this and let's hit this one. Okay, so need to enter the password. Let's enter the password, and here we go with the first command. Now we have to install the memcache with the help of this command. Okay, so here we go with this command. So it's already installed, so we have to do that one. Moving to the next command, we have to check the status. So let's go and check the status with this one. It's enabled, right? And if you want to start that one, you will start the command start memcache to start the memcache server. Okay, by default memcache listen on the local host and this port. Okay, and you can usually locate it on this file, so you can change the configuration, you can change the port, and you can change the host with the with just opening this file. Okay, just put the nano and slash etc slash just put the command over here, so it will have all the configurations files settings of this one. Just open it, and here you can see that okay, the port and the host is there. Okay, so according to you, just specify, you will get to know about that one. Okay, and this is the telnet local host to check that everything is trying to connect or not, so you can just go and just add it over here, or you can check the version also with the help of the memcache version. So here we go with the memcache version is there, and if you want to do that one to check that one everything is working or connecting, so let's go with this one. So here you can see that connecting to the local host, that means it's connected. Okay, now you can do the process. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.